Hey everyone, happy math day. We are on week 6. So here's an image of what your unit plan is for this week. Everything is due Friday, May 1st by 3 p.m. You have a live lesson today from 9 to 10 a.m. Make sure you hop on. The teacher will be going through all 3 of those lessons. And then there's a help session from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. that you're more than welcome to stop in, ask questions, say hi, whatever it may be, feel free. So let's talk about what you're doing today. So step 1, watch the intro video. Congratulations, you're already 1 step done if you're listening to me right now. Step 2 is to watch the video lesson and fill in Google Slides on independent and dependent, or go to the live teacher lesson and be ready with those Google Slides. There will be an answer key in there for you so you can check your work when you're done. Next is a lesson on permutations. Again, they're Google Slides. Post it in your Google Classroom. Either join the teacher lesson, the live teacher lesson, or watch the video lesson. And then you have a lesson on simulations. Remember, for this whole unit, you may use a calculator as well. So either join the live teacher lesson or watch the video lesson and fill in those Google Slides as well. Make sure you check keys as you go, as you finish. And then don't forget, last step, step 5, is to do your iReady with at least an 80% or 30 minutes, and a picture of that needs to be uploaded into Google Classroom as well. So just a recap, you have 3 lessons. They're all Google Slides in your Google Classroom, and then iReady. And you have a live teacher lesson at 9 a.m. and a help session at 11 a.m. So good luck, get started, and remember, it's all due Friday by 3 p.m.